Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recover deleted files on Canva. So for instance, you press the three dots and you selected move to trash. If you just selected it, you can instantly press undo. But for instance, it's been a couple hours, you can just select the three dots. You can just go to the trash button here, and then you'll see your file. I don't know how long they save your files in trash for. Maybe if it's only been like a couple days, maybe up to like a month, it will still be there, but I don't know how long they keep this in the trash bin for. So if you want to restore it, just select the three dots and then select restore, or if you want to delete it permanently, just select delete permanently. I think they do keep it a long time and not automatically remove it. There is a help button, maybe it will help you find out how long they keep it in trash. But yeah, if you want it back, just select the three dots and then select restore. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!